One bought a house. The other invested every dollar into the stock market.
30 years passed faster than either of them expected. Both became successful, but in completely different ways. Everyone has an opinion, but very few people look at the real numbers.
This isn't just about choosing an investment.
It's about understanding how people make financial decisions.
The biggest difference isn't the investment, it's the behavior behind it.
Let's discover which path builds lasting wealth, and why most people choose the wrong one. But opinions aren't evidence. Numbers tell a very different story.
History shows that stocks have generally grown faster over long periods. Homes usually gain value for a different reason. Communities evolve over time.
So if stocks grow faster, why do so many homeowners become wealthy?
Because investment returns and building wealth are not the same thing.
Real wealth often comes from consistent saving, not chasing the highest return. Small monthly habits become life-changing over decades.
The biggest fortunes usually aren't built overnight. They grow one disciplined step at a time. Consistency beats intensity when it comes to building long-term wealth.
Trying to get rich quickly often slows people down.
The biggest danger isn't the market, it's emotional decision-making.
When uncertainty rises, emotions often become more powerful than logic. Every downturn feels permanent, until history proves otherwise. Time rewards patience far more than perfect timing. The people who stay invested often benefit from the power of compounding. Discipline protects wealth when emotions try to destroy it. Owning a home means paying for much more than the purchase price.
Unexpected repairs can arrive when you least expect them.
Building equity and managing expenses always go hand in hand.
The true cost of ownership is often hidden. The true cost of ownership is often hidden beneath the surface.
Different assets can create wealth through different paths.
Stocks are easier to buy and sell, while homes are designed for long-term commitment.
Long-term success isn't about choosing perfection, it's about staying consistent.
Most people don't fail because they choose the wrong investment. They fail because they keep changing direction. Constantly reacting to headlines usually creates more mistakes than opportunities. Wealth grows slowly at first, then faster as compounding begins to take over.
The strongest investors aren't fearless. They simply refuse to panic.
Consistency almost always beats trying to predict the perfect moment.
Owning a home and investing in the market don't have to compete, they can work together.
The strongest financial plans usually combine multiple wealth-building tools.
Patience protects your future, far better than chasing every new trend.
Financial freedom is built through thousands of small decisions, not one perfect investment.
The goal isn't choosing sides. It's building a future that keeps growing year after year. The biggest decision isn't choosing an asset, it's choosing to stay consistent.
Time is the most valuable asset every investor owns.
Wealth isn't only measured by numbers, it's also measured by peace of mind. The right direction matters far more than short-term speed.
The people who keep moving forward are usually the ones who reach financial freedom. Stocks and real estate aren't enemies. They're simply different tools.
The greatest wealth-building strategy has always been discipline. The future belongs to those who keep investing, even when the journey feels slow.
Choose the strategy you'll actually stick with, stay patient, and let time do the heavy lifting. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe. Powerful lessons on building lasting wealth.